gonna ignore how I look and how I sound. I really don't look like I'm ready for a beach vacation, and I have a flight to catch like tonight I'm flying, and yesterday I came back from Bangkok and I didn't really have time to like prep for this vacation that I was really looking forward to, and y'all will know who I'm going with, so that's one thing. But like, we have today's time, we have less than 24 hours to sort of fix this situation and make sure that we are ready for a tropical beach kind of cute vacation. I am a little sick, but I'm sure I'm going to be fine. I am praying for my speedy recovery myself, and yeah, that's that. So I'll tell you what we need to do. Basically everything, but we need to pack, we need to fix our face, we need to fix our hair, we need to fix our freaking nails, we need to sort out and plan our outfits. Yeah, all the things are booked and all, but I do need to cross-check everything. So all of that we're gonna do in this video, and I don't think I should waste any more time. Also, I'm sorry I'm vlogging on my phone because my camera is getting charged. I literally forgot to charge my camera, but it's gonna get charged in a bit and then we will switch to my camera. But yeah, right now I think I should just start with my hair. I need to like Dyson my hair, even though in Bali I'm just gonna embrace my natural curls, but right now I feel like I need to just Dyson them and straighten them a little for my airport look, because that's the vibe I'm going for. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I've just sprayed some water on my hair, and now I'm just gonna use this product. It's really good when I'm styling my hair. But anyways, I'm just gonna take like this much and just gonna spread it. It really does help my, you know, Dyson routine, and I really like my hair post using this product, so I highly recommend. But anyways, now I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse, and I'm just gonna quickly Dyson my hair. Okay guys, I have decided to do my own nails. I have never done this before. I don't know why I am experimenting, because I hate bad nails. Like, I would rather have these than like a pair of stupid looking nails. You get my point, right? But I have the perfect tropical stick-on nails. A brand sent it to me like a while ago and I've been wanting to try them out, so I thought it would be fun to like, you know, just wear them for this vacation. Like, can you all see it? They are perfect for a tropical vacation, and they were on my mood board. I absolutely adore them, and I really hope I don't mess up, and they look pretty on me. So yeah, I have like all these essentials, the glue, the buffer and all of that. So let me just quickly start with it. Okay, you guys, nails are done. This is how they look. They are screaming tropical Bali vacation, and from like up close they don't look so neat because this was my first time trying stick-ons, but I think from afar they are looking super pretty. They're gonna look so cute in the pics. I'm really liking all the colors. They look so vibrant, so cute, and they're just like making me excited for my trip, even though I'm a little bit stressed. But these are making me really excited. Okay, hi, we are back to camera vlogging, and it's almost 3 p.m. I actually went to this Airbnb event, and then I had some work, so I did that, and now I'm back home. I am having this like choco bar kind of a thing. It's from Pret. It's really yummy, and I need some energy because now we have exactly 2 hours to pack everything. And yeah, I usually do these like pack with me kind of reels, but this time I'm not doing it because I generally don't think I have time and I have too much going on. And because I'm vlogging for you all, I thought I would just include it here, and I'll talk about all my outfits. I'll talk about what I'm carrying, not all my outfits, like some of the outfits. I will show you all my mood board, and all of that will happen. I also received like a bunch of packages that I got for this trip. We have this huge one from Savannah. Let me quickly show you all what this one has. It's all for my Bali trip, literally every single thing. We have this really, you know, trendy leopard print kind of skirt. I'm so excited to wear this. Like, I am planning like a black top, then this skirt, maybe a slick back bun, that kind of outfit. Then I also have the cutest, the most adorable hair clip. It's similar to what I'm wearing actually, but just like a different you know, style. It also matches my nails perfectly, and I have this jewelry piece. It's just like a hand bracelet. This is how it looks. Again, it matches with my nails, and it has like a couple of shells and pearls and all of that. Like, this is like so extra, but again, I have like a vision for this particular skirt, and it has like so many frills. And then I have like a couple of basic tops, which I don't think I need to show you all. They're just like super basic cami tops. And I have this dress which I feel it is a little like loose for me, but again, this is for the night vibe, maybe for like a dinner. I also have a bikini set. It's like a beige basic one. I mean, I just love wearing bikinis, so this basic one would look so cute. I can style it maybe with like colorful things if I want to. Also have this bag which again screams beach. It's like a cute beach bag kind of situation, and it has this material, I don't know what to call it. So yeah, that's it from Savannah by Urbanic. Then we have something from this brand. They actually sent it to me, and we have the most adorable swimsuit ever, guys. Are we looking at this like heart detailing? It is so cute, and it's like a candy cane kind of, you know, striped texture. You can also tie it at the back or in the front, and this is like my personality. I love this. The colors are so cute. So yeah, that's that. Now I'm gonna segregate things, like maybe tops in one side, bottoms in one side, dresses in one side, and all of that. I'm gonna do the segregation first, and then, I mean, I have kind of planned my outfits, but I'm gonna just, you know, check things and just click pictures of my outfits which I'm planning to wear, but all of that will happen later. First, I need to just sort this thing, like this situation. You guys, my bed is looking something like this. Honestly, this is insane. Also, the fact that I have not even unpacked. Like, I came back from Bangkok yesterday, so I need to unpack, and then I need to fit like everything that I'm carrying for this trip in either this bag or this bag and a mini trolley. Okay guys, progress has been made. I know it doesn't look like that, but trust me, now I know where things are. Like, here are all my dresses. These are for the night, and then those are my bikinis, my swimsuits, my shorts, my skirts, tops, all of that. So everything is segregated. My suitcase is fully empty now. We just need to, you know, put in stuff. I have made like a mood board and a style board. So I always do this like whenever I'm going on trips, and I make like these Pinterest boards, right? But for Bali, I did like 2 boards. So one is like a mood board, and that has like a lot of pictures for like picture inspo and just like the overall vibe that I'm going for, like a couple of places that I'll be visiting. There's Pilates, and there's like this Fins Beach Club. So there are like a lot of things. You all can see it's on the screen. And then there comes like a style board, which is like just for my outfits, and I really wanted like some sort of, you know, separation, because otherwise I just get confused. So I did like a style board this time for Bali, and there are like a lot of nice outfits. Obviously the overall vibe for, you know, my style for Bali is like clean girl, that girl, it girl kind of outfits. Like, I love wearing white on like a vacation because I know Bali is gonna be colorful, but I have a lot of other colors also. I have some yellows. I obviously have so much pink. Like, literally so many of my outfits are pink. We have some blue, we have some orange here and there. Even my bikinis are like good vibrant colors. So yeah, Like even though my board has a lot of whites, I do have other colorful outfits also. So yeah, that's the overall vibe for Bali this time. I'm really excited. You all won't believe I actually did this reel a few months back, and it was like, you know, if I were to go to Bali, this is what I would wear, and I can't believe I'm actually going. But anyways, enough of yapping. I think I'm gonna just start packing everything. By the way, I have a lot. I don't know if all of this plus my makeup, my skincare, my hair care, my bags, my I don't know, jewelry and night clothes and everything in total has to be 30 kgs, which I feel is very less for a girl like me. I'm an official overpacker. So these are my packing cubes, and I take them everywhere whenever I'm packing. These make everything so easy. I literally got them from Amazon last year when I went to Thailand, and I feel like they match my vibe. So we have like this bigger one, then a smaller one, there's a medium one. Here, this is the medium one, and it also came with like a pouch kind of situation, and also like 2 smaller pouches. So there was like a lot that came in a combo. So I think I'm gonna put all my tops in the smaller one. In the medium one, I'm gonna put in all my bottom wear, and in the biggest one I'm gonna put in all my dresses, because the dresses are pretty big. They're huge actually. So yeah, that's the plan. Now I'll just put you guys on time lapse while I just pack everything in these cubes. In this exact moment, I have realized that I am officially overpacking, and the only thing that I'm stressed about is the fact that will I be overweight and will I have to pay extra bucks for that. But that's a problem for later. Anyways, I'm going to quickly show you all a few of the bikinis that I'm really excited to wear, and starting with this one. It's this blue one with stripes, and this is like the top. I think I got this from Singapore. Yeah, that's where I got it from, and I haven't worn it. So really excited to wear this. And also, oh my god, this one, it's in this lavender color, and it has like a shimmery kind of material. You all cannot see it, but it's there. And this is like the top. Again, super cute, and it has this V kind of detailing, which I really find interesting. So this is another pair that I'm keeping. Then my most favorite has to be this pink one, which I literally got like a day ago from this market that I went to in Bangkok. You guys, it has like these flowers on it, and it's like my most favorite pair, and I'm so excited to wear this one also. So we have 3 pairs already, and I already showed you guys this one. It's like a swimsuit kind of situation, so I'm keeping this one too. Oh, this reminds me of the fact that I've not shaved down there, because when I went for my laser appointment, I was on my period, so they couldn't do the laser for that area, and now I'll have to shave it. So we have one more thing added to our list of things we have to do before we fly to Bali. So anyways, I have packed all my bikinis in this little pouch. It also came with the set of all cubes that I showed you guys previously. So yeah, okay, all the bikinis are done. I have a few more outfits that I need to pack, and then we are gonna sort of take care of my skincare, makeup, etc, etc, my accessories. Oh my god, I'm already exhausted. I'm also taking a couple of really cute cord sets, like this one. It's like this skirt, and it has like a tropical print, and then this top as well. It's from this brand called Shubh Shri Studio. And I also got the cutest dungaree, which I'm taking with me. I got this from Bangkok. It's so cute, and with the pink bikini set that I showed you guys, this looks perfect. So I already have an outfit in mind for this particular dungaree. So yeah, I think I'm gonna remove a few of the things, and then I think the clothing part will be done. So last night I was actually working on this Notion board which I created for our Bali trip, and I have included so many things. Here's like our day by day plan, and it's not fixed, but I've just put it for the sake of it. And then we have a few places that we are planning to visit, so I've just segregated everything in categories. So we have like a few places activities that we can consider for like Pilates. So I've mentioned everything here. Then all the beach clubs that we are planning to visit, I've just named everything here. And then the same for, you know, the clubs and all the activities. And then I have the most important thing, which is my packing list. And because I'm doing my packing right now, this helps so much. You all cannot believe, like right now I'm just gonna tick off everything that I've packed. So we have packed our bikinis, we have packed our clothes, footwear is done, bags are done, nightwear and everything else is done. Then a medikit I have kept, and a lot of the things are still left. So again, I know I can refer to this and you know, just make sure that everything is packed and I'm not forgetting anything. I also have a basic mood board for the trip here. This is just a screenshot from Pinterest, but yeah, that's pretty much it for my Bali Notion board. So I'm just packing like my skincare and hair care and all of that. I am putting in this bag. So I've put like my face wash, there are sunscreens, there's just so much in here. But I actually want to show you guys this thing which I ordered like literally right now. It's like a curly hair styling combo kind of situation. It's from Fix My Curls, because I am planning to just, you know, embrace my curls, especially because they look really good around the beach and, you know, that kind of vibe. So I thought that I would use some products just in case they become like a little messy. So there's a curl quenching hair butter that I'm carrying with me, and then there's a curl quenching flaxseed jelly. So first you put this and then you put this, and it's just like a whole routine. And now my hair care and my skincare is done. Okay guys, moment of truth. I am praying. Are you strong enough to lift this?
Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Listen, I have 7 more kgs. No way.
So you should save it, huh?
Wow, thank you so much. You are strong.
You're gonna shop there, don't do it.
So I am done packing and it's I think 7 right now, which is pretty good. Now I just need to clean my room. It is an absolute mess even when I'm done packing, because there were so many things that I took out because I thought I am overpacking. But clearly I have 7 more kgs left, but I'm not filling my suitcase anymore. And yeah, I'm just gonna start cleaning, and then I'm gonna just pack my handbag, like my tote bag. That's one thing that's left, and then I'm just gonna wash my face and get ready for the airport. I'm really excited, and yeah, I feel much better. I was actually not feeling well. I still have actually bad throat and cold as well, but I think by the time I reach Bali, I will be fine. My body will be fine and everything will be fine. It's gonna be a beautiful trip. I am carrying this camera, which y'all must have seen in the vlog that I posted for Tila Ranthambore. So yeah, this time I'm taking it without Anik, so he's just being very weird about it and he's just trying to teach me stuff about this camera, which is literally smaller than my hand. I know how this works, but this one thinks he's like smarter than me or something. So please.
How do you open the pod? How do you remove it?
I have my nails on. I can't.
Basically, this is the button.
Yeah, I know it, but I have my nails on. So, see.
Okay.
A little disclaimer, I literally fit my entire life in this bag. Any bag which I'm carrying, actually any tote bag, I will fill it till the very end. And that's just me because I feel like I need everything in my hand carry. So we are starting with the all my documents and my laptop. This one is a new laptop. Actually, I forgot to update you all on this. I now have a MacBook because Anik got a new one. So now I get to have this laptop. So anyways, this is just like because he cannot use 2 laptops and I was in desperate need of a laptop and he was just nice enough to give it to me. So we have a laptop now, so I'm carrying that, and I have all my documents in this one. We also have, of course, currency that goes into. This is very important. We have my passport. Now this mini pouch has all my like lip glosses and hand creams, and it's again like fully filled up. And this pouch has the Insta360 that you all saw right now. We have my pink mini tripod, and then I have my jewelry box. This has a couple of like earrings and stuff. I do have this one huge pouch which has all my wires. So this one, earlier I used to use it for like makeup and stuff, but now I store all my lights and adapters in this. We are keeping my hairbrush, we have my sunglasses, my sanitizer. Obviously I carry this everywhere now that I have it. A spray, like a sun spray, SPF spray kind of situation. I have a pair of socks just in case. I don't know why, but they're so cute. They have like these cats on. Obviously my wallet. It has all my cards, then this eye mask, and I think that's it. I don't think I can fit any more things, but also this mini fan. It's not that mini, but yeah, I got this from Bangkok when I was there, so I think I'm gonna try to squeeze in this one too. Move the zip. Okay, it's almost closed. It doesn't. Okay, this is too heavy. But we are done. Now I think I should just remove my makeup and get ready for the airport. What's the time? It's 8 right now. Yeah, I think we'll be leaving in 30-ish minutes. So yeah. Look at my tray and look at Tarini's tray. She has gotten so many things. We all know that I don't drink coffee, so we have hot chocolate for me, and it came in the Starbucks Christmas cup, so that means that Christmas cups are out. This is so cute.
I don't know how I'm feeling about this trip. I'm very excited.
Am I a bad?
No, I'm very excited. I'm very excited. I've never done this before, so I'm very, happy, anxious.
Yeah, same.
And also like, it's like, we have a lot of responsibility, which is great, and we're used to it, but also just...
The trip responsibility, I don't think we are used to.
We're used to not having.
But it's okay.
But I know it'll be great regardless, but it's just the and anxiety, which is okay to have always.
Yeah, actually I lost my nail, no, that's why. Yeah, the anxiety is because of that. My nails are so good, and then I lost one of it, like literally I don't know where. Layover in Singapore, and now we'll hop on to another flight, and then we'll be in Bali. I look tired because I am tired. Eyes are extremely puffy. Anyways, my POV is really pretty. Let me show you. We have come to Paul's for breakfast, and we are both having the same thing, this like yogurt kind of thing with granola. We have to go to our connecting flight gate, which is very nearby, so we have like 30-40 minutes to kill. So we are gonna just have food and then take a flight and go to Bali and pray that it's not raining. This is so bad. Hi guys, so I have landed in Bali. And yeah, that's it for this video actually. I hope you all can hear me, but yeah, I was just saying that I wanted to include like my airport travel and airport vibe also in this video. And now I'm gonna start my vlog, the Bali vlog, when I have reached like the place I'm staying at. Like I wanted to start the Bali vlog when I'm in Bali, and I did not want to include like the airport stuff, so I decided to sort of include it in this video. And yeah, that would be it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video, which will be the Bali vlog. I'm so excited to be in Bali, and you all will see more of it soon.